Hey guys, it's Redneck Dipper. I'm gonna show you how to pack a can of chew. I already got one in, but it's Copenhagen. I don't have anything in it. It's empty. I don't have a can that's full. But, um, when I first started, I couldn't just do that, but I couldn't. I really can't. Wait. I can have that. This hand, I can't have that. Okay. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to get this hand to do it now. So you relax your index finger and oh no. See, I can do this and I can try it, but I don't know if I can get it. But anyway, I'll show you how I pack. Usually I'll do like a side pack and just pack can. Well, the best way I learned how is to just crease your finger right there and just, oh, I got it. Wow, that's easier than I thought. Like that, but just relax and kind of like snap your wrist. Let's try it with the can. No. Oh. This is about the size of your can of chew. What I do if you chew, just take an empty can, if you have an empty can, and just, oh wow, actually I can get it with this hand, but just relax your index finger and like snap your wrist to get it, and like side pack, kind of they grab, you know, say can chew, actual can chew, and like get it at the top, and then just, oh, freaking hit. And then just kind of like put all your fingers like that. I'll try with this one. Figure out I can do it. Wow. I didn't know I could do that, but yeah, that's how I learned. Is that relax your fingers and do that. But yeah, that's how I learned. Basically, it's really not that hard. Once you get the groove of it, you can do it. Yeah, just hmm. Do I even have that? No, there's nothing in it. It's really just empty. Look, see, look, it's empty. Yeah. If you guys like to show me, let me show you. If you guys want to see how I had my dip in school, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll show you. But I really just practice with something the size of a chew can, or hell, even like a water bottle lid. Like I put it in between my fingers, that way it gives it like that distance. I can't really do it with this one. Like that. I don't think I can do this. Nope, that one's gonna slide right out. Yeah, slide right out of that hand. But yeah, that's really all I gotta say. Is the light. It's more of like a snap of your wrist versus more of like a, I don't know, that's how I learned. And I've seen some people like Chris Dip. He does it with his middle finger and puts his thumb kind of like in the center. Like you have like a center piece, like a dot in the center, like right there. And he puts his thumb right there, and then he just. But I can't do it like that because I don't relax my middle finger. But yeah, like that. And yeah, if you want to know how I dress for school or something, well, not dress, I mean how I dip in school. Sorry. And I can show you how to hide your can and in school when I want to spit in a bottle. Like that in class. Cause like on Fridays I have like a free day, so I lay back in the back of the room where I watch videos and shit, and I spit because the bathroom's dark and like I can spit pretty quiet when I want to spit quiet. But right now I have like a small one in because I'm around my parents. But yeah, in a couple more months I could show you. I can do a vlog of my life, like a day of my life. So yeah, if you guys want to see more, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And subscribe and turn that post notification on so I upload a video every night. Just let me know. Peace. Keep it redneck.